Let's see how to crochet back post single crochet stitch. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is of 4 mm. Here I make my slip knot, and after slip knot make any number of chain crochet stitches depending upon your project, whatever you need. Make any number of chain crochet stitches. Here I am making only a tutorial purpose video, so I am just making 11 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, leave first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, just leave first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch till the end of the line. I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. We are done making stitches till the last stitch. Now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn a crochet work. And now we turn a crochet work. Now see, for now here onwards, in every new line, every new row, we are going to skip 2 stitches, first and second stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle. Okay, and from third stitch, now for second row also we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. That's it till the last stitch. So I'll just complete this line and I'll show you, and I'll show you how to take that last stitch. That is very important. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Done with last stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. Now as I told you, now onwards every new line we will be skipping those 2 stitches, first and second stitch, which comes after the current loop on the needle. Now one row we will make of back post single crochet stitch, that is in each stitch we will make one back post single crochet stitch. So complete one line will be of uh, one back post single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and next line will be one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and we are going to continue this: one back post, one single, one back post, one normal single. Okay, see, I'm showing you very slow demonstration of back post single crochet stitch. As you can see, it is same as front post. Only thing is we have to take our needle from back side of the stitch, and from we have to pull the yarn through that stitch, around that stitch, and make a single crochet stitch. So I won't disturb you more. You watch it very carefully. If you want, you can slow down the video also, so that you have more better idea of how to do it. Okay. See, this is front side of back post single crochet stitch. See how good it looks. It looks like your steps are there. Okay, so I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. You can find many crochet applique tutorial video, crochet keychain tutorial video, crochet curtain tie back tutorial video. New ideas of curtain tie backs are there. Crochet coaster, crochet doily. This is the back side. Both sides look good of back post single crochet stitch. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.